Hello, hi. Thank you for visiting Sally Driving School. My name is Sally. I'm an approved driving instructor, DVSA. We have automatic, manual, grade A, qualified, more than 10-15 years experience instructors in our driving school. If you need any help to do your mock test or test route preparation or regular lessons in automatic and manual, feel free to email us or contact or through WhatsApp. Hope you enjoy your driving. Thank you.